Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be painting this cute loose floral wreath in watercolor. The first step is drawing a circle as your outline for your wreath. After that, we're going to wet the circle with clear water and then drop in a green of your choice. If you want to paint along with me, I've put all of the supplies that I've used down below in the instruction section. If the green gets too dark in some spots, take a tissue and dab to remove some of the dark areas, which is where you're going to be placing your larger flowers. Starting with the pink of your choice, I'm using Rose Madder by Sennelier. Start painting strokes with your round brush in opposite directions and a couple of dots at the top to form the center of the rose. Continue on around your wreath until you've decided that you've filled it up enough with the flowers and you're happy with the composition. Next, you're going to start adding leaves with a darker green. Again, moving around the wreath, adding some at the bottom of the roses until you're satisfied that you've got enough of these darker ones. Add the centers for the blue flowers with an orange. While the orange centers are drying, add the little purple filler flowers just by dabbing on sort of spots in a cone type shape, and adding a little bit of a stem in the purple as well. Next, complete the blue flowers by pulling long lines out from the orange centers in a blue. I used ultramarine blue for this one. And just continue around each center until you've filled them in and you have kind of a spiky looking flower. add in some tiny filler leaves and stems around the roses and the filler flowers. Add more leaves in a watered down mid-tone green and a larger brush. Continue adding these mid-tone green leaves around the wreath, just as you did with the other darker leaves. Add some darker green around the roses and to the medium tone leaves, which are still a little bit wet, allowing the two colors to blend together. Also start adding some smaller leaves around the wreath and filling in as you did with the previous ones. You'll notice that I'm using a very large brush, even though my leaves at this point are quite small and they're just being used to fill in the spaces. So you're not applying too much pressure with the brush, you're just basically using the tip and pulling outwards. Finish off the wreath by adding a few green stems to the ends of the leaves here and there, and by adding some very thin lines of a darker pigmented blue, less water in the pigment, to the centers of the spiky blue flowers. And there you have it. A very easy loose floral wreath Great for beginners, or just if you want to have some fun and be creative. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you really like this and you want to see more of these kind of demos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so you'll get some notifications when I put the next one up. Thanks for watching.